In this demo, we will see how Cosmos DB extension with migration feature helps to modernize relational database to Cosmos DB NoSQL API. For sample, I am using the open source Platinic application built on Java Spring Boot. And in this case, from PostgreSQL to the Cosmos DB NoSQL API. So to launch the migration, click on the Azure logo on the left side panel, and under the workspace, click on the new migration. Here, you can give the project name and select the AI model which you want to use for the migration. And make sure before doing this, you have already cloned the repository. Select the database schema file and optionally the volumetric information and the access patterns. And once you click on the auto detect, it will pick the project type, language, framework, database, etc. Now we will start with the first phase, which is the discovery, and it also has an ability where you can provide additional discovery instructions. Now the discovery phase is complete. And if you see the discovery report, the assistant scanned the application, understood the framework and the access patterns. So output of the discovery becomes the structured input driving everything that follows from here onwards. And now we will go to the second phase, that is nothing but the domain assessment. So assessment phase is complete. In the assessment, the assistant grouped relational tables into domains, creating bounded context aligned to the application behavior. Here you get a assisted domain decomposition and reviewable artifacts. Now we will start the most critical part, that is the schema conversion. The assistant generated the container design by using the Cosmos DB skills internally. And importantly, everything is returned to the Cosmos DB migration folder so you can inspect, iterate, and version your designing. And along with that, it creates a model.json file which has both the source to the target mapping so you can use it for the data migration. And in the next phase, it allows you to provision the account. Either you can use an existing Cosmos DB account or you can create a new account. In this case, I am going with the provisioning a new Cosmos DB account. So account is created, and also it has an ability to populate the sample data as well so that you can validate the application without really migrating the data. With the plan migration option, AI prompt is generated and it is a consolidation of all the phases. You can add any additional changes to the plan as required. Once you're satisfied with the plan, then you can go with the start migration, where agent changes the repo with Cosmos DB SDK and aligning all the database CRUD operations with the Cosmos DB syntax. And now we will launch the application once the migration is complete. Now I have launched the application and fetched a owner which is existing on the Cosmos DB account. So as you saw, it is an AI-driven guided workflow inside your favorite Visual Studio Code, from schema analysis to production-ready design. Thank you.